In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade or downgrade your QuickBooks online subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to change plans for both your QuickBooks online company and your payroll subscription, and what to watch for before you commit to a change. To start, sign into your QuickBooks online company with an admin or billing role so you have permission to manage subscriptions. From any screen, look to the top right and click the settings icon, the small gear. This opens a menu with shortcuts to your company and billing tools. From that menu, choose subscriptions and billing. This takes you to your billing dashboard, where you'll see cards for each active subscription tied to your company. You might see your core QuickBooks Online plan, such as QuickBooks Advanced, and separate add-ons like QuickBooks Online Payroll Elite. Each card shows the current plan, renewal timing, and links to change or manage that plan. If you want to move to a lower payroll plan, locate the QuickBooks Online Payroll Elite subscription card. On that card, select Downgrade your plan. QuickBooks will outline which features will change when you move down a tier. Take a moment to review the comparison so you're clear on what you might lose, like certain automation or support levels. Follow the on-screen prompts to continue. In many cases, downgrades take effect at the next billing cycle, and some advanced features may become read-only. It's a good idea to export key payroll reports before you proceed, just in case you need historical details later. If you're ready to step up your core QuickBooks online experience, find the QuickBooks Advanced subscription card. On that card, click Upgrade Your Plan. You'll see available options and pricing. Compare what's included so you only pay for what you actually need, like enhanced reporting, more users, or workflow automation. When you confirm, upgrades typically activate right away, and charges may be prorated based on your billing date. Make sure your saved payment method is current to avoid interruptions. After you make a change, return to the subscriptions and billing page to confirm the new plan appears on the correct card, and watch for a confirmation email with your updated renewal details. If you don't see the upgrade or downgrade links, you may be billed through a third party or need different permissions. Try a private browser window or clear your cache if the page doesn't load as expected. That's it. By using the settings icon, opening subscriptions and billing, and selecting Downgrade Your Plan on Payroll Elite or Upgrade Your Plan on QuickBooks Advanced, you can tailor QuickBooks to fit your business as it grows or streamlines.